and he's going to pull up into a half horizontal in a second.
So when they've done 55 hours training and assuming they're successful, what happens then?
Well, once they've completed their basic flight training, they get streamed to one of 3 streams. There's the fast jet stream, which they go from Lynx to Tucano, which you'll see shortly after short. Then following that, they go on to Valley, flight 4. You'll see Jules climb that later, and then on to their operational squadron.
Right, coming up to 5G then, pitched aircraft rolls to 360 degrees, before they're rolling once more onto its back.
The jet engine is what is called a centrifugal compressor, a short, stubby engine. And there you can see it, look. Short fuselage, that short, stubby engine is in there. If you have a long jet, then you lose some of the thrust. So to keep that thrust, they give it a short, stubby fuselage. And therefore you need a twin boost. Share our knowledge and our expertise with other nations. And we've got some of the things. Never mind. This mind that the 2-seat version of the Vampire, there with his wheels was flashed down, and it's landing right out. But it's a faultless fuselage because the pilots sit side by side. In the Navy now, it's multi-role, it's also capable of surface warfare, and it does surface rescue with a lots of computerization in the back end. It's got a radius of action of 200 miles. It can land on both, if not all, of your Navy ships. So let's find out. Look at that, you take a forward. So there they are, Royal Navy, Merlin helicopter. But there she is, that was a little bit of inverted.
Yes, it's slow roll. It's one of the hard maneuvers off sequence because of formation of all the flight controls.
So what we're doing is instructing people over occupied Europe and their latter stages. It was originally ordered in 1940. That was when we realised, after the Merlin lessons that the German country were reducing. Part of the reason was that American built its own gear and flown by Tutor who wanted to fly when he was a young man. That was pretty good because Tutor owns and flies the airplane. He also owns and flies Spitfire, owns and flies Hurricane. And of course, it was in December 1941 we definitely attacked Pearl Harbor, bringing the United States in on our side. And we don't speak like that. Now we're all reporting, sounds like we come from somewhere. And Martin Carey is only the crown prince of the stage. So we all, these are little jokes that we have on the stage. And now we have a beautiful not pushing negative tapping at 150. You know, there are flicking, two flick maneuvers at the top. That's what the British would call an avalanche. The Military would call it a portal. Synchronized in all the
amazing things that Guy and Peter are doing with them. Remember those little almost polystyrene plates you used to get? Just two little pieces and you clip them together and you threw them up in the air and watched them go. So what's like we've done that with these two?
Well, it's like they're very likely not constant material, not fiberglass. Very developed in a sort of a fantastic aircraft. You can almost step on board. It's almost a gliding by doing about 25 knots, it appears, doesn't it?
Well, she comes by quite quietly. We shall hear the noise later.
Well, that is the sound of 4 Rolls-Royce Bristol Olympus 202 two-shaft parachutists. She's almost soaring in the sky, isn't she? She seems to move so quietly.